So what do you do if you're building your IKEA flat pack furniture and there's a bit missing or a bit damaged? In today's video I shall tell you how you can get a replacement without spending a penny. So you may have seen my recent video on building the Malm double bed from IKEA, and I was very surprised to find when I was building that there were actually a couple of bits missing.
Well, that's really frustrating.
Now, it's never happened before, but what it did mean is that I had to go through the process of finding out how to get the spare part, and I thought it was worth just sharing that process with you now. So let's get cracking. The first thing you need to do is identify the spare part that is missing, and you do that by going through the instructions, and you'll notice every part has a reference number. Now in my case it was part 117228, and in fact I did have 2 of these parts, but I needed 4. So what you do is you head on over to a special website, which I'll put in the description, ikea.com/gp/en/customer-service/spare-parts. And to be fair to IKEA, they've made it very, very simple. You have 2 buttons, one for bigger parts and one for smaller parts. Bigger parts, I think you need to get in contact with them because obviously they can't be sending out like whole bits of furniture without knowing a bit more information. In this particular instance, all I need to do is to click the order here under the small spare parts, and all you need to do is to put that reference number in, which in this case is that, and it'll show you the spare part. You say how many are missing. It is added to a basket, all the spare parts, and then it just asks you for your name and address. It's free, and I don't think they actually reference your original order, so technically I don't think you would need to even have bought the original furniture. Takes about 3 to 5 business days. I have to say my experience was that it did exactly what they said it did. Obviously the ideal scenario is that you actually have all the parts in the packaging for your flat pack furniture in the first place, but I have to say the fact that they make it so easy for you to get your spare parts and it doesn't cost you any more money is a really, really good system, and I'm very impressed actually. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please do give me a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.